Did you know you can turn the back of your iPhone into a secret button? With a simple double or triple tap, you can take screenshots, turn on the flashlight, or even launch your favorite apps instantly. In this guide, I will show you how to enable and use back tap feature on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Now tap on Touch and scroll all the way down until you see the back tap. Tap on it. Here you will see two options, double tap and triple tap. Tap on either one depending on what you prefer. Now choose what you want your back tap to do. You can select actions like screenshot, control center, flashlight, lock screen, and volume controls. You can even assign a shortcut to open apps or run automations. Once you have selected an action, go back and try tapping the back of your iPhone. Just double or triple tap firmly and your action should trigger instantly. The back tap feature works even if you have a case on your iPhone. It may take a couple of tries to get the tapping right. You can choose different actions for double and triple taps for more control. That's it. Now you can control your iPhone faster than ever with just a tap on the back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out more iPhone tips on iOS Hacker. Thanks for watching.